world.hortibest Inc. is a high-tech enterprise focusing on the research and production of modern comprehensive plant growth solutions. Factory located in Shenzhen, China. Since 2017 it has provided design and production services to the top 3 brands in the United States. At the same time we are the top 3 supplier of plant lights in China. Warehouses are located in California, Oklahoma State, and New Jersey in the United States. European offices and warehouses are located in Bremen, Germany, and Canadian offices and warehouses are located in Montreal. A team of experienced engineers, scientists and technical experts. We has professional knowledge and practical experience in LED lighting technology, plant growth science, environmental engineering and other fields. Our products are liked by worldwide growers. Our LED plant growth lights have the following characteristics. 1. The highest input-output ratio. The same investment can obtain the highest output, and the cost can be recovered in the fastest time. 2. The spectrum is adjustable, and the light intensity and spectrum can be adjusted according to the growth stage and environmental conditions of the plant to achieve the best growth effect. 3. Long-term warranty. With the most DLC certifications from the U.S. Department of Energy, providing quality-assured local services. We always adhere to the core of scientific and technological innovation, and the orientation of meeting grower needs, and are committed to providing the highest quality products and services to the global agriculture, horticulture and indoor planting industries. We look forward to working with global partners to promote the development of green agriculture and create a better future.